Shalom, Yashala. Let me put y'all on these lawful sushi rolls. You know what I'm saying? Got the smoked salmon, or you can use any lawful fish you want. You got the cucumbers. I got some cauliflower rice. I have some shredded carrots and some lettuce, all right? I got this organic sushi wraps, you know, and some, you see it's organic, and we have some avocados, you know what I'm saying? Now, all of us come from the world where we used to eat these foods that we love, and we can't eat it no more because it's unlawful. But some of them, we have some low sodium soy sauce, but some and some cream cheese that I blended, that I mixed with the cauliflower rice to stick to the wraps. All right. Now we all come from the world where we used to have these favorite foods that we can't eat them no more now because they're unlawful. But when you make it yourself, you know you can you can alter these things. Like instead of using raw fish, raw unlawful fish, you could use lawful fish and cook it. You know, like smoked salmon, sauteed salmon, sauteed flounder, rainbow fish, red fish, etc. You know what I'm saying? You can saute it and grind it, or you can cut it in pieces, you know? So all these, like I make lawful gumbo. I don't put crab, shrimp. I don't put, crab juice in it. I make the roux from flour. You know what I'm saying? I make the roux from flour. I add seasonings, garlic, onion, bay leaf, sea salt, what else? Pepper, black pepper, white pepper, you know what I'm saying? And I make the roux. And I add okra, grilled chicken, you know what I'm saying? And mushrooms, tastes just like it. You know what I'm saying? Once it all cooked together, it tastes way better, and you feel better after eating it, man. And you don't be all smack tired after you eat this stuff. All right, so you see me putting the cauliflower rice in it. Then you see the smoked salmon. Then you see the cucumbers and the shredded carrots. Now, this is my first time making it, second time making it, and I don't know if I'm adding too much. I'm going to have to look up something, you know what I'm saying? But that's lettuce, you seeing me put, and then avocado. All right, and that's all you need. And some people have that wrap thing, but you can wrap this with your hands too. All right, and it's a lawful way to make, that sushi, man. So this how it look right here. All right, Salaki, you know what I'm saying? Hey, I wanted to show this though, but Salaki on a presentation. My presentation's never like this, but this cheap ass Walmart knife, not cutting, you hear me? But anyway, this is the smoked salmon cauliflower sushi rolls I made, you hear me? Now, all the foods we used to eat back in the world, there's an alternative to make them lawful, all right? So this is not raw sushi, you know what I'm saying, with all that shit in it, shrimps and all that. This just is smoked salmon, or you could use smoked, or you could use sauteed, lawful fish to make this, you know what I'm saying? Once you're done with the fish though, you let it cool down, all right? I think it's my first or second time making this right here, all right? So, we all come from the world where we had a favorite food and like, dang, we can't eat it no more because of this and that and it, you know what I'm saying? But a few of those foods we could eat. There's an alternative to it. Like I make lawful gumbo, you hear me? I make gumbo with no seafood in it, you know what I'm saying? No pork, no ham hocks. It's just okra, sauteed chicken, and like I add some mushrooms or something. You know what I'm saying? That's when I used to make that vegan gumbo. But anyway, this right here is the seaweed. All right. Then you got the avocado, the carrots, the cucumber, cauliflower, lettuce, and carrots. You know what I'm saying? So you can make your own yum yum sauce, wasabi, or you can just use soy sauce. You know what I'm saying? Now, I never ate this back in the world. Like sushi, raw fish, I always liked my stuff cooked. So I was like, I'm gonna stay away from that there. You know what I'm saying? But you know how to cook this here. You smoke the salmon, you don't eat it raw, man. Cook the food, saute the shit out of it. You know what I mean? So you saute it. That's a lot. That's a lot for the presentation. But look, this knife ain't cutting, bro. You heard me? I think I put too much. You know what I'm saying? But next time I put it together, the presentation gonna be perfect. You know what I'm saying? So, but you can see it though, you know. And I use cauliflower to get away from that rice. You know what I'm saying? So, you know, you can use cauliflower. If you got the big bulbs of cauliflower, you put it in the food processor and it dices it up like rice. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, so either you do whatever you want. You get the wasabi sauce, yum yum sauce, however you used to eat it before. And then you just, you know, and I don't even want to put this video up because of the presentation, you hear me? Look at it. All over the place. But yours will probably look beautiful. You hear me? I just wanted to show that right quick, show the finished product. But it's this, I'm gonna blame this knife right here. It's this knife fault, Shalom.